So how do we teach learners to comprehend text? Reading comprehension is difficult to teach because it is a process that happens inside our heads. Take a look at how a good reader automatically thinks about what he is reading.
Aibo, I wonder what will happen next. I wonder if Joe is the killer, or if the blood on his hands really is from the butchery.
When a teacher thinks aloud, the teacher voices what good readers might be thinking about as they read. The teacher allows learners to understand a process that is otherwise invisible. Observe as this grade 9 teacher helps her class make meaning of a graph.
Please open your books and look at this graph. I infer that teenagers were asked whether they thought each of these issues was a major, minor, or not an issue for other teenagers. This graph is about American teenagers. I wonder if the results would be different for South African teenagers.
Thinking aloud allows learners to understand what kinds of things should be happening inside their heads as they read.
I see that I must try to make inferences about this graph. Like, it doesn't say who these US teenagers are. I wonder what race they are and if they are wealthy or poor.
Thinking aloud is a methodology for teaching comprehension strategies. It can be used with any of the comprehension strategies that you know, like making predictions, making connections, visualizing, etc. In order to properly teach comprehension skills, teachers must pre-read texts, decide on relevant comprehension strategies, and plan their think alouds. This helps ensure that you, as the teacher, showcase different methodologies and exemplary reading skills.